Okay, for the dough, we are proofing the yeast. So we'll take 1 cup of milk at room temperature, add a teaspoon of sugar, and now we'll be adding some instant yeast. Let this mix rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, you can see that the yeast has been activated and it has fermented. Now we'll take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that flour we are adding that fermented yeast gradually, and we'll keep on mixing it. The dough will be sticky at first, so we will be adding small amounts of flour again and knead the dough until it becomes smooth. It is a time consuming exercise. We'll have to knead the dough for around 20 to 25 minutes. I shifted the dough onto my tabletop. We have kneaded the dough well. We'll sprinkle some flour onto the container and keep the dough for proofing. This we'll have to let it rest for around 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the dough will have risen to double in size. Now we'll shift that onto our tabletop. And again we'll add some flour and again knead for some time. The dough will eventually get smooth and non-sticky. Now I'll make this into a log shape so that I can cut it into equal pieces. Now we'll take each piece and roll it out. Don't worry about the shape because eventually we are going to roll it again. Just flatten it out as much as you can. After flattening it out, I'm applying some butter. Butter should be at room temperature. I'm just applying butter onto that flattened dough. And now each of those pieces I will be flattening it out and stacking it upon one another. And again we'll be applying butter on the top of it. This procedure we'll continue to do until the last piece of dough is there. Okay, so we have stacked up all the dough. Now we will keep this to refrigerate for 30 minutes. Now for the masala, to a hot pan, I've added some oil and I've added the thinly sliced onions to it. Some salt, some curry leaves, saute it, add some turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Saute it until oil starts to come out of it. So our masala is ready. Now we have taken the dough that we have kept to refrigerate. We'll keep it on the tabletop again, sprinkle some flour on it, and we'll again flatten it out so that it becomes thin and becomes a single sheet, and try to make it into a rectangular shape as much as possible. Now we'll cut out pastry sheets. We'll keep a teaspoon of the masala, keep the boiled egg on it, and we'll roll it up. Now for the last part, what we'll do is we'll give an egg wash. Now I've preheated my microwave at 170 degrees Celsius, and now we'll be baking this for around 25 to 30 minutes. And here we go.